thank you for giving me the opportunity to be interviewed today. My name is Edlyn Grace Salcedo. I'm 24 years old. I'm single. I'm a college graduate from Rizal Technological University with a degree in Business Administration, major in Operations Management. I also done a vocational course in caregiving.
Alright, thank you. Then where do you live?
I live in Monte Vista Heights, Taytay, Rizal.
Okay, so do you have any brothers or sisters?
I have two brothers. I am the eldest in the family.
Alright, then how would you describe yourself?
I describe myself as adaptive, fast learner, trustworthy, and hardworking. In my free time, I always learn new things like cooking, and my hobbies are more on playing instruments like guitar and reading books.
Okay, so may I know your reason why you want to apply abroad?
I want to work abroad to support my family and give them a better future and to support my siblings' schooling.
Alright, so do you have any work experience abroad?
Yes, I have work experience. No, I have no work experience abroad, but I have work experience here in the Philippines as housemaid from December 2023 to December 2025. I do the cleaning, laundry, and cooking. I also took care of a infant, a newborn.
Okay, so did you finish your contract here in Philippines?
Yes.
So you have work experience 2 years here in
Yes, 2
Philippines?
years.
Alright. So are you willing to take care of small children, newborn baby, or elderly person abroad?
Yes, I am willing.
Alright. So how would you take care of naughty children and children with temper tantrums?
I take care of them by entertaining them, like giving them the activity like drawing, painting, or playing some instruments. I will teach them.
Alright, I see. Then how about if the newborn baby is crying at night?
The newborn is crying. It's because if they are hungry or they need to change the diaper or they are not feeling well.
Okay. So what will you do if you become homesick?
If I became homesick, I will just focus on my job and remind myself that I am here for my future, to work for my future.
Okay, good. Then are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, I'm not scared.
Alright, so are you willing to take care of pets, even
Yes.
big dogs? Okay. So how do you describe your cooking skills?
I describe my cooking skills as good because I used to cook more on Filipino foods.
Alright, so you can cook Filipino dishes?
Yes.
Alright, so are you willing to learn new dishes abroad?
Yes, I'm willing to learn. I just watch in tutorials.
Alright. Okay, good. So do you have any food allergy?
No, I don't.
Alright, so do you eat everything?
Excuse me.
Do you eat everything?
Yes.
Okay. So do you have the full consent of your family to go and work abroad?
Yes.
Do you promise not to use your cell phone during working hours?
Yes, I
Do
promise.
you, okay, so do you promise to be honest and loyal to your employer?
Yes.
Do you have the physical energy to keep up with the children?
Yes.
Do you drink alcohol?
No, occasionally only.
Okay, so how about smoking?
No, I don't.
Alright, so do you have any body tattoo?
No, I don't have.
Do you have any history of surgery or serious sickness in the past?
No.
Are you willing to share a room with the children?
Yes.
Are you willing to wake up very early in the morning or sleep late at night?
Yes.
Are you willing to work during day off and employer will pay you overtime?
Yes.
Alright, for the last question, Ma'am Edlyn, what is your final message to your future employer abroad?
Okay. I am trustworthy and honest. If you pick me to become your housemate, I will do my very best to be your housemate and to do all the house chores. Yes.
Alright, thank you.
Thank you.